Good afternoon, Cafe Procopio. Today we're going to attempt to make a chunky California salsa, and we're going to try it on my regular camera today. We normally do our filming from the iPhone, so I'm just doing a little experimentation. But it's a beautiful day, and let's enjoy some salsa. Okay, the ingredients today is some Roma tomatoes, some onions. The recipe actually calls for lemons, but we're going to do it with a lime, a jalapeno, some cilantro, and some salt. Okay, let's get to blending. Let's see how I did, shall we? Okay, the chips I used today for Eric is a veggie and flaxseed tortilla chip. They're different colors, so there's carrot and tomato, spinach and garlic, and red beet and onion. And there's plenty of omega-3s. Good source of fiber. Great for those diabetics that are in the house. And today I'm pairing it with a Procopio cocktail of sparkling water, lime juice, and cilantro. Very tomatoey, which I like. Next time I put a little bit more lime. What do you think? More lime, a little more cilantro, and a little more onion. So I just think the tomato consistency is good, just a little bit more of the other stuff, but not bad for my first try. The jalapeno gives it a little caliente.